Hello friends, this is Shravan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about a wonderful and beautiful concept called ages. Here, if they given about our grandfathers or our brothers or any children also, we will find out in a fraction of seconds. So without late, we'll move on to the concept. Friends, here I took one father and two sons. And if I assume that father age is 30 years and elder son age is 10 years and younger son age is 5 years, what is the difference between the younger son and father, friends? It is 25 years. And father and elder son, it is 20 years. And between brothers, it is 5 years. So friends, here we have to think that after it is this may be in 2020. This is a present age. If they are talking about the 2 years or 3 years back means the age may be changed, but the difference between the two persons will never change. And if they given after 20 years or 30 years also, the age may be changing, but what is the difference between them is never change. I will tell you one example. If your father is born on 1970 and if you are born in 1990, the age difference is 20. If we take now also, it will be 20 years only difference. So whenever the years can be changed, but age difference will not whatever change. It may be, the difference will be same, but the agent ratio will change. That's it. So without late, we'll move on to the questions. There you can understand clearly. If you have any doubt, please comment below and I will solve very clearly, and I will make you another video if you have any doubts in this regarding this topic. Moving on to the question. There are two brothers with an age difference of 6 years. Will have the ratio of their ages after 6 years 10 is to 13. Find the ratio in their ages after 2 years from now. Friends, what I told, what is the difference between the two persons? Here we have to underline, difference between the two persons is 6 years. Okay, that the difference will never change. So they have given 10 is to 13. This difference is, they are telling that 6 years. So 3 parts equal to 6 years. So 1 part equal to 2. Okay friends, and they are telling that of the ratio of their ages after 6 years is 10 is to 13. This is after 6 years. Whatever ratio they have given is, this is after 6 years, but the difference is same. I'm telling difference is same, but this what and all ratio is there, this is after 6 years. Means this is 2020, the 2026 is the ratio is this one, but what and all difference between the both the persons is same, that is 6 years they have given here. So in the question they have told that after 6 years the ratio is 10 is to 13. So 10, what is the age of after 6 years is 20 is to 26. The age is 20 is to 26, but they are asking find the ratio of their ages after 2 years from now. So we have to calculate percentage. Percentage is minus 6 we have to do. This is after 6 years. So minus 6 is 14 and 20. Okay friends, and they are asking 2 years from now. From now means we have to add 2 years. So plus 2 and plus 2. So 16 is to 22 is the answer. Here there is a calculations are there, that cancellations under. So 2 8s are 2 11s are. So 8 is to 11 is our answer. Okay friends, if anything doubt means please comment in my comment box so that I can explain you clearly with more details in the next video based upon your recommendations. Thank you friends. And coming to the next question. Rahul is 50 years old and Mohit is 70 years old. Means he may be 50 years old. He is 70 years old. They both are talking. How many years ago the ratio of their ages is 1 is to 2. Okay friends, they are telling that how many years ago. means before. Here friends, ago means previous. Hence or after means it is plus, means after, from now present to after. Okay friends, here 2. So what is the difference? Here one one part is the difference, one part. So between them how much is difference? 20 years. So this only now friends, the difference 20. So his age is 20, his age is 40. So now their ages is 50 and 70. So how much less we have to do? We have to do minus 30, minus 30 and minus 30, so that we will get the answer as 1:2. Okay friends, moving to the next question. The present ages of A and B are in the ratio 15:8. So they are telling that present ages, this both present ages is in the ratio 15:8. So we have to think that what is the difference? 7 is the difference is there. So we are not touching anything now. So 15:8. After 8 years their ages will be in the ratio 17:10. Okay friends, and what will be the ratio of ages of A and B after 10 years? Okay friends, now we know that the difference should be same. So they have given present age is present they have given 15:8, and after 8 years they are given 17:10. So friends, here difference how much? 7. So here also 7. So 7 7 we are not changing anything, so it is like that only. So what is the difference here? 2 parts equal to, so here we are 2 parts, here 15 to 17 it is changing. Why it is changing? It is changed for 8 years. That 8 years is the difference between the two ratios. That 15 has become to 17 because of that 8 years. To find out that correct age, we will think that this, so 2 parts equal to 8 years and 1 part equal to 4. Okay friends, here also you if you observe means this side also 2 only the difference. If you take this side or this side, you will get the 2 only the difference. 2 parts equal to 8 and 1 part equal to 4. So what is the present ages? The present ages is 15:8. So how much difference came? 4. 1 part equal to 4. So 15 into 4, 60, and this is 32. But they are asking after 10 years, the ratio of A and B after 10 years from now. So we will take years for this one, 10 and 10. So here 70, here 42. So we have to cancel friends. We have to bring on to the cancel. 30, 7 tens are, 7 6 are, 2 5 are, 2 3 are. So friends, answer is 5:3. Okay friends, this is the option. Moving on to the next question. The sum of the age of a father and his son is 80 years. Friends, they are telling that father age and son age is 80 years. So 5 years ago their ages was in the ratio 5:2. So friends, the sum will be 70, right? If 5 years ago the sum will be 70. Why? Because here father age also 5 years it is less, and son also 5 years less. So total 10 years we can less from the sum. Correct? Friends, if we assume father's age is 30 years and SC age is somewhat 40 years, if it is total 70 means, if I take, if 5 years ago means his age will be 25 and his age will be 35. Okay, and total will be how much? 60. So that only I done here. Okay, so 5 years ago their sum is 70. So their ratio is 5:2, means 5x plus 2x equal to 70. So x equal to 70 by 7, that equal to 10. Their ages 5 years ago is 50:20. Okay friends, of and present age is plus 5 and plus 5, that is 55 is to 25. So there are, this is the present age, but they are asking, after 5 years. So after 5 years means 55 is to 25 plus 5, plus 5 we have to add for this one. So what is the answer? 60 is to 30, that is 2 is to 1. So second option is the correct, friends. So moving on to the next question. A is 2 years elder than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total ages of A, B, C, B, X. So friends, here we have to derive telling that A equal to B plus 2, means this is 3 years, means this is 1 plus 2, like that they are telling. So we don't know the what is the exact age, that is assumption just. A equal to B plus 2, this is the first, this is we have drawn from this equation. Who is, friends, here who will denote as B. B equal to twice C, okay, and they are telling, and another one they are telling that A plus B plus C equal to 27, and they are asking age of A, okay. So we will bring this whole equation into one variable, so that we can solve easily. So here they are telling that B equal to 2C, okay, B equal to 2C we will write. Here A equal to B plus C equal to 27. So A plus 2C plus C equal to 27. Here A equal to B plus 2 plus 2C plus C equal to 27. Okay friends, here B we can write as 2C plus 2, if we send this side means here 2C plus C equal to 25. Okay friends, we have got that 2C plus 2C plus C equal to 27. Here 25, 5C equal to 25, C equal to 5, we got C value. So B equal to 2C, that is equal to 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10, and A equal to 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. So this is the answer friends. So like this we have to derive these ages problems. So if you have any questions or any doubts regarding this video or any other questions related to ages, please comment me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get my notifications whenever I will upload the video. Thank you.